right here, this is the brand new Explorer case, and this is absolutely my favorite case. I just started testing it, and I fell in love with it before I even put a rifle in it. It really is a spectacular case, and if you're trying to figure out what's inside here, well, inside is my 50 BMG, and just try to go ahead and get this ready for shooting. And let's see if I can do that. I do have to spray down the inside, so because I went ahead and it's got the little squares you pull out. Well, once you do that, sometimes one of the squares will go. So basically, I have to glue the stuff down. I haven't done it yet, and it's not a fault of the case. It's just the way they are. Let's go ahead and get this 50 mounted. Nothing to it. And I don't think I need the handle or the bipod, but I do need the magazine. So yeah, shoot a couple rounds downrange and see what happens on high speed. So check it out. Okay, this is the last round of 50. Get a little tired. It's a lot of weight to hold up. But last round. And that's the 50.